Welcome, I'm Scott Stragan, and this is part 7 of my Ratchet and Clank playthrough.
Captain, come in. Clank and I are in position and ready to commence Operation Falling Star.
Copy that. You're clear to move in. I'll monitor your position from here.
Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
Attention scientists! Chairman Dredd here. I just wanted to thank you for all of your hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here at this facility. The weapons you're producing will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our time.
They told me there'd be travel. I thought I'd get to explore the cosmos and invade thriving civilizations. There he is. Attack!
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill. I shall let you live, little alien. Psych! Mr. Zurkon lives only to kill. Mr. Zurkon still hears hearts beat. These are the moments Mr.
It has
Zurkon
been
lives
brought to
for.
my attention that we may have an intruder at the facility. If you come across anyone who is not a Blarg, please feel free to kill them.
Mr. Zurkon is born. Greetings, you soon-to-be-dead alien.
What is all this? It appears Chairman Dredd has been growing his own army.
Mr. Zurkon has returned with a vengeance. Ha ha ha! Mr. Zurkon can't now. Hello, stinky aliens. One little too wicked.
This is just a reminder that all projects, files, and experiments are the property of Dragon. However, I welcome all feedback. Should you disagree with this policy, feel free to voice your concerns to one of the armed murderous warbots currently patrolling the halls. For your safety.
Test subjects have escaped. Every blood for him or herself.
You thought you had seen the last of
Captain,
Mr.
come in.
Zircon.
It looks like Drek has been experimenting on creatures.
Ha! It'll take more than a few bugs to scare off Captain Quark. Unless there are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get comfortable in this bed. Mission control, where I'm monitoring you from.
Ouch! That one hurt.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. Mr. Zircon is
We're all clear.
5 little dead little aliens.
Oh boy, out of ammo. Nah.
Mr. Zircon,
Nice.
didn't know what warned you about Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon is bored.
Fellow Blarg, I've recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet. Fellow Blarg, I've recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our Fellow Blarg, I've recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Got it.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony of pain. One little, little dead little aliens. 4 little, 5 little dead little aliens.
Check out my inventory. I got the best deals in the galaxy. Probably. Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one.
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast. Chairman Alonzo Drek thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
It is. I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain? Oh boy.
Initiate phase 1.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Uploading ground pound protocol.
Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson.
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson.
Charge attack.
Intends to rectify this.
We've lost control of the subject.
Enemy down.
Didn't know what warned you about Mr. Zircon?
Begin fire sleep protocol.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed. Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into love. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit. Okay, we got him back under control. Let's keep this up, folks.
Goodbye, Furlong.
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
Zircon is here to kill. You plus Mr. Zircon equals die, die, die. Did no one warn you about this?
I yield! I yield! Please, don't hurt me!
Tell us what. Tell us what you hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's clan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what did he say?
I can give you this infobot.
You watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention, the XK-81 Jetpack! Though initial testing had a few small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 Jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground! The XK-81 Jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snaggle Beast and found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
Mr. Zircon is born. Mr. Zircon needs no nanotech to survive. Mr. Zircon lives on fear. acquire bolts. His currency is pain.
Hey, I bet the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gaspar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, Alaris can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring one jetpack. Captain Quark must fly like a bird.
Be careful out there, pal.
What is that? How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip. My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
Oh, man, what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh, fine.
That was impressive. My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots. There they are. Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots. Returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Too puny to wear the Magna boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
They've made it onto the ship! All floor! Grab whatever ammo you can find and open fire!
Yeah, keep at it!
Enemy down!
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
This baby. Ain't she a beaut?
Take out the Lombax!
Mr. Zircon needs no nanotech to survive. Mr. Zircon lives on fear.
Unauthorized weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
This doesn't look good.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
Flee!
That's Blart property!
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Oh dear.
Ship will self-destruct in
come
10
on.
seconds.
We should go to Planet Gaspar and find out what Dr. Nefarious is up to.
Okay, what's our destination?
We must learn...
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more in the next episode.